Your formula sheet. Can you see arc length is r times theta? So if you forget, it is on the first page. I copy over so you remember. Reverse. So when you reverse A complement, it becomes A. When you reverse, the intersection becomes union. When you reverse your B, it becomes B complement. So it is asking you to union A. I just now brought back to charge, then I forgot to bring it. Okay, I asked you to union A with B complement. B complement means everything outside of B.
Feel free to go back and take your bag.
No time already. Okay?
And, and while taking your mic, I can bring back the box of chocolate as well.
What are the things you need to shade? Everything except the crescent. So your final answer, because it's union, right? As long as it's shaded, you want everything except that crescent over there. So this is the part that you need to shade. Okay, just take note of that. Silash, if you cannot focus, then you sit back to where you're supposed to be. Okay, this one, you will realize that I shaded everything except A union B. So the answer is just A union B complement. Okay, everything except the two circles. So the shading part is A union B complement. May, are you paying attention? Cannot. If you want, you must put A complement intersect B complement. Because these two are equivalent. It's like I reverse this. I need to reverse the union. I need to reverse the B. Yeah. Okay? So this one is these two's answer. Next one. I want all the x that fulfills this inequality. So if you go and solve this inequality, you will get 2x less than or equals to 14. X must be less than or equals to 7. So positive integer bigger than 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is in the universal set. Okay? So I want you to see, first thing first, this thing that you see here is a set. So the only symbol you can use is subset or not subset. So you don't consider element, not element or null set. It can only be subset or not subset. So 4, 6 is a smaller set than P. So we can say it is a proper subset of P. Okay, next one, if you look at this, 1 is an element or not an element. So if you look, it's outside of Q. So you can only choose between these two symbols. Don't anyhow use them. So it is not an element of Q. So this kind of question is a giveaway. Do carefully. Do carefully. Can. Okay, so the first question for WA is usually set notation. Make sure you can do the whole question. The shading, I already gave you a summary of all the possible shading. You can either memorize them or find a way to remember. Can off the first next one, this one. The whole piece, the whole slice of pizza is your sector and it has an arc, the green one, with a center O. The radius is 6 cm. The perimeter is 1514. So perimeter means you add the arc to the two radius.
The arc is literally pi.
So here 6 plus arc AB must give you 15.14. So you know this is 12.
The arc is pi.
Where?
Arc.
So arc is just 15 minus 12. So 3.14.
So it's pi.
Looks like pi lah. Okay, so what's the formula for arc? This is in radians, right? If you go to your first page, so arc is r times theta and is equals to 3.14. You already know radius is 6. So 6 theta is 3.14. 1 theta is 3.14 divided by 6. So you get 0.523333. So So 3SF shown. So they just needed you to show this. In the event that you can't show this, you can still use this for the next part. So don't skip the question. You can still use this for the next part. Because radius is 6. Yeah. Okay, so make use of the formula on the first page. If you never memorize, it is... Okay, I copy over here. Remember, this formula is on the first page. Please make use of it. If you forget, use these two formula. Okay, next one asks you to find area of sector. Is this formula also given on the first page? So just use half r square theta. You can use the theta from here. So straight away calculate. You will get 9.42. That's it. So the whole area is 9.42. Now question wants you to find the shaded segment only, this piece only. So what do you need to do?
9.42 minus.
So the whole piece minus the triangle to find that little shaded part here. So this one you know is 9.42. All you have to do is use area of triangle, half AB sine C. Take note, if this is in radian, your calculator must be in radian mode. If you never change to radian mode, your answer will look very weird. So 9.42 minus half AB sine 0.523. Use calculator. Okay, you will get 0.429. So this is your answer. Make sure your calculator is in radian mode if your angle is in radians. This one, be careful. Okay, so this is the most typical question you can get for sector area, segment area, and perimeter. So everything is tested. They test you on arc, which is r theta. They test you on sector area, which is r square theta over 2. They test you on segment area. Yes. Oh, it's accurate. Sorry, I thought it's 9.43. Okay, you're right. Got red pen. I have. This one is correct. But I still 1 mark lah. Yeah. Okay, no, not affected. Okay. And then this one is segment area. You will use the same formula but minus area of triangle. So there's only these 3 formulas that is popular or that is common for teachers to test you. So make sure you remember all 3. These 2 given. This one also have. It's on the first page also. Okay? I leave it here for a while. Make sure you can. Yes. Will it always? If it's not radian, you can convert. So example, if I give you 60 degree, you know 180 degree is pi. Then you go and find 1 degree. Then you go and find 60. So you can always convert it to radian, then you use the formula. Okay, so this one can convert. Okay, if the angle given is not in radian, yes. Then you will lose accuracy mark. So 0.414. Do you use radian? This one you must give me 3SF. This one must be 3SF. So if this one is not accurate, I minus 1 overall. So if your accuracy is not accurate, I'll minus 1. Because they already gave you the radian here, so by right your angle cannot be too far off. Okay, ah? Why? Like that still messy? You see Silash work. Silash, you show her your working. Like that still untidy, ah. I try my best already, eh.
No, it's not untidy, it's just all over the place.
Where got all over the place?
It's because she doesn't have the same
No, can you like labels?
Label what?
So if you're doing from 1 and then 1, 2, right? 2, 2, you put 2.
This A. This B. Where else you want me to put? This part 2 is so organized. I'm so impressed with myself.
Okay, thanks, Miss
It's because she doesn't have the same amount of real like on.
Okay,
Yes, soup.
move on. I'll try to be more organized. It's tough. Silash, you think you got all correct, you can talk? Justin I never see Justin's work. See, so scary. Okay, your marks must get higher and higher as I give you more tests. Ah. Some classes haven't started revision, you know. At least I do together as we continue teaching.
I'm so thankful you're my teacher.
Right, you all really have to be there. Okay, I'll try to be more organized. Oh, full. Can move on already? Okay, this one. BEC is X. BE and CE are tangent. So when they tell you tangent, first thing you put in. I'm so sorry. This poor Fitri just suffer in silence, no table. Okay, sorry. I take back. Okay, tangent, the moment you see that they give it to you, go and put this as 90 degree. Shh. So when you have tangent, it is always perpendicular to radius. Go and put in all your markings. These two are radius. These two, because of tangent from exterior point, these two will be equal as well. Go and put in everything you know first. So that later when you use it, you wouldn't forget that you have that. So they say, can you find BAC? So BAC is this one. So in order to find BAC, you will need to have BOC. Very sunny in the class, is it? Must put sunblock.
360 minus x. 360 minus x plus 180.
Yeah. Okay, so this one, to find BOC, this angle over here, shh, go and use 360 minus the 90, minus 90, then minus this x. Because sum of angles in a quadrilateral is always 360. Any four-sided figure is 360. So you will get 180 minus x. So this is sum of angles in a quadrilateral. I will always write the reason because sometimes question will ask you to state the reason. Okay, so now I know this is 180 minus x. So how to find BAC, this one? It is the rocket.
180 minus x.
Yes. So you can give me 180 minus x divided by 2. Or if you like to simplify, you can give me 90 minus half x. Also can. Both are correct. So what's the reason? It is angle at center equals 2 times angle at circumference. Okay? So this is the reason. If they ask, if they never, it is okay. Okay, so once you know this, you can put it in. Okay, next, they tell you BDC is 130. This one. So they want you to solve for x. So remember, if you have a quadrilateral, a four-sided figure in the circle with 4 points touching the circumference, the two opposite angle always add up to 180. So you can make use of this 90 minus half x. If I add it to 130, they should always sum up to 180.
This one 90 is in the calculator.
This one.
Oh.
This one and this. Okay, so this angle and this angle. So if I were to repeat, these two angles must always sum up to 180. Okay, so this is angles in opposite segment. Silesh, I cannot hear myself if I keep hearing you. So this is 220. So if I subtract 180, this is 40.
Something step by step. When you get
Wait. This one, wait. 90 minus.
Okay, I do.
Plus 130.
Okay. These two, you press calculator, you
you
get
press
220. No meh?
Huh?
Yeah, 220 what? This one I copy down. This one I copy down.
So half x is 40.
Yeah. So next, I subtract 220 on both sides. So this one gone. So minus half x is negative 40. So to find x, I divide by negative half on both sides. So it's 80. Okay? You see, that's why I say you all don't sit together. Yeah.
This one, this kind of paper must set for you. Okay? W, okay? Yeah, this time. This one confirm A1 one. So I never do that. So, okay.
You see the tree behind?
The one,
Very entertaining. I'm so curious what you're talking about. Yes. Yeah, have. Can have two. Yeah. Can.
shift.
Oh, can. If you get a different method but same answer, you will also be given full credit. Okay, next one. This one. Shh. A, B, C, D are points on the circumference. CE is the center. C is the diameter. So when you have diameter, remember you have angle in a semicircle, which means this is 90. This is also 90. So go and put all this in because you know once you have diameter, you have angle in a semicircle. And then mark out all your radius. This is radius, this is radius, this is radius. Go and mark it out. Then you see where's your isosceles triangle. So all this, first step. Put all this in. If not, you will miss out on a lot. Okay, next one. I want to find DAC. Can you see your rocket?
So it's 150 divided by 2.
Correct. If you can see your rocket like that, then you know it's just 150 divided by 2. 75. Reason?
Angle at center is 2 times.
Yeah, so angle at center, 2 angle at circumference. Okay, so this is 75. Go and write it in your diagram. It will be helpful. Next one, DEC. DEC is this one. Again, do you see your F1 flag or your X?
Yep, I got isosceles triangle.
Also can.
150.
Then you go and find the 30.
Yeah.
Then minus divide by 2. Can, correct. So if you can see your F1 flag here also can. This one. This is angle at center. This is double the angle at circumference. So if you want, you can also divide by 2. So angle at center twice angle at circumference. But if you use any other way, it is equally good.
I know got the butterfly.
Got butterfly? Also can. So if you have seen the butterfly between this one, this one and this one, also both 75. So angles in the same segment also can. So there are many ways to solve the same thing. Okay, so these two both 75 are angles in the same segment, also correct.
I didn't know this is going to be like the hardest question. Like, can you do like can you give us an actual easy paper? Like, try not to kill us.
Okay, I try.
Like W1, W2, W3, it's like you're out to get us, you know. It's like they hire a hitman for us.
Okay,
After
angle
30, you
CBE.
can set a really hard paper and you can give us a really easy paper.
It is a right angle triangle because of what reason?
Angle in
You must give me the property. It is a right angle triangle because of angle in a semicircle property. Tell me the property that make it happen. Don't tell me because you got a triangle in a semicircle. Must tell me this property. Okay, next one. BEC. Yeah, must tell me the property. I want this angle. So this one is just 180 minus the 90 minus 70. Yes. So it's just 20 degree here. If you want the reason, angle in a angle in a triangle. Okay, sum of angles in a triangle. ADC. Okay, this one I know 20 already. ADC is over here. This one. No, the whole thing here.
Is it not equilateral?
We can't tell.
So is it not isolation?
ADC, if you want to find, you got 75 here already. You got 70 here. You can find this.
How?
Isosceles triangle. So angle OCD is 180, take away the 150, divide by 2. So actually these two angles are 15. These two are 15. So what you do is the whole triangle, you know this is 75. You know this is 85. You can find this. So just use 180 minus the 75 minus the 70 minus the 15.
Equals
20 90 20. Okay, also sum of angles in a triangle. So this whole yellow angle is 20 also. Lastly, I want ADO. This one, easy right? The whole thing is 20. This thing here is 15. So it is just 5. Okay, you just take the difference between two. Where I get the 70 from here? Oh, did I use the wrong one? Oh, sorry, it's the wrong one. Wait, let me see. 70 is the whole thing. Wait, that means I can't use this. But I don't have. I need this one. I need this one only. I don't have this one. That's the problem.
So you are stuck. The lady
Yeah,
is stuck.
Yeah, I'm stuck. Wait,
70 minus 20.
They never say it's isosceles.
But it's equal. The radius is there.
No, I don't know what is this red one. The whole thing is 70, but I don't know what's that small thing. I need that one, right? If not, how to find? ADC. Oh, I got the 90 degree. Okay, I know. Yeah, okay, so this one, let me correct this. I can't use that one, but not saying that it's wrong. I already know the full angle is 90. I just have to subtract. Oh, this tiny part. No. Sorry, I blind spot. This one is the angle I want. 90 must minus this small one. Do I have this?
You can find it.
How?
Uh,
No, it's not right. Do I have this? Yeah.
I use angle triangle. This one. I think 180 minus 75 is the big triangle.
Where's the 75?
From the top. The blue, the purple one.
75.
the answer is 2.5.
Yeah. ACD is not isosceles. No, COD and EOD is isosceles. But the whole ACD is not isosceles. So I cannot assume it's isosceles. Okay, what I know is this thing here is 75, right?
Oh, okay. This one.
I know this one.
This one.
15.
This one, I know already. Is this not 90?
No, I cannot assume that one is 90.
But I went to the center.
Okay, wait. My blind spot. Now I just suddenly got blinded. Can you all give me one more? Wait, let's clean this up. Okay, let me write down all the angles we have so that we won't miss out anything. Wait. There's something that is not right. So this one I know is 15. I write down first. This one I know this is 90. If this is 90, so this is 75. So all this I know. This is 30. Okay, I know most of the angle. This is 75. So now my issue is what is ADC? Cannot. Yes. Yeah. Yes. No, okay, so this is 20, we know already, right? But now I want ADC. This one. So if I refer, actually I can use this, right? Then isn't it the same thing? Oh, but I don't have that small angle.
That's what we were saying that.
No, but that angle is not 70.
Yeah, so you find the angle because it's an isosceles triangle.
Which one is isosceles?
The bigger one,
Isosceles triangle.
The one with 75, right?
You see 150. The first thing you did was mark it out. DOC, right?
Yeah.
DOC, that's the isosceles triangle because it's
Yeah.
circle, right?
Yes.
So 150, right?
Yes.
So 150, then you can find the 15 degrees, right?
Yes.
What's after that?
Yes.
ABC is the isosceles triangle.
No, who say?
You said it.
I never say. I said DOC is isosceles.
But what did you mark it out before?
It's not isosceles, so I cannot assume that. Ribbon where? Yeah.
Angles are the same, right?
Yes. Yeah. But I still don't have that small angle. No, I cannot assume that.
But you must look right either way. Is it because of the wrong person?
Yeah, it should be a very but I don't know what is this angle. I cannot assume it's 70. The butterfly work, but I don't have this angle. How do I butterfly?
Wait, Cher. D-E-O. Is that that's the isosceles, right?
Oh yes, isosceles.
180 minus 75, you divide, you get that one. Zoe says
Take which one? Quadrilateral opposite. No, this whole thing and this whole thing must be 180. No, so that this thing I know is 70, but now I don't know what is this rate. Then, yes. The one thing is the big one, ACD is not isosceles. It is not. I cannot assume. No, the only thing I mark out is this one. This one is isosceles. Oh, unless we miss. Oh, okay. I know why already. I know why already. Now I know why. Here. Okay, so it is isosceles. Ayo. That's why I say cannot assume, but the question give you all never say. Okay.
that's the first thing to say.
No, you all just tell me it's isosceles. I say no.
Just never process.
You all never tell me this one is here.
Deserve a chocolate for this.
Okay. So just now that step is correct. So don't need to erase. If it's isosceles, no problem what?
No, but the answer is wrong. It's not 20.
How can that be 20 degrees?
It's not 20, it's 52.
Okay, so 180, take away the 75, divide by 2 first. So you get 52.5.
Period.
This is,
Answer.
yeah, that's all. Is
Oh my god.
base angle of isos triangle. Oh my god. But do you all feel good solving it?
I think I'm just angry that you can figure it out faster.
It's the mistake of not seeing the problem. Blind spot, this is called blind spot, people. 37.5. Then it's not 5 already. It's 37.5. Yeah. Okay? Can at this rate, we got no chance to go back early. Okay, move on. Next.
I wonder what I missed.
We got stuck at 1. Okay, but sorting the question out together, don't you all feel good?
No, I need math.
Yeah, I minus. Can No lah, this is not the hardest. Wait I transfer this page
You're
over.
gonna set it as one of the hard.
Is it?
And then you're gonna put the medium one as the easy one.
You're always on. Anyhow. This one I went through already. I copy over.
Yeah, 2.7.
We will skip. Okay, this one. Integers. No. Faster. Shh. Venn diagram. The universal set contains 1 to 13. Okay, and P is all the prime numbers. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. And then Q is all the odd numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So if you look at their overlap, I have 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. So when you draw their overlap, Make sure you have 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 in the overlap. And then I have a 2 here. I have a 1 and 9 here. So all the other elements that is not represented must be outside of the 2 circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. So outside must have 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Huh? Anywhere. Okay, next one, P complement. Shh. Is everything except P. So it's 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. And I want it to overlap with Q. So Q is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Intersection means they must be common. So it's just 1 and 9. Because it's a set, make sure when you list out, it looks like this. Okay? So this is part B's answer. Part C wants you to describe what is in the overlap of P and Q. So you can write down it is all the odd numbers or odd integers between 2 and 14. If you want to write 3 and 13, you need to include the word inclusive. Then it will include 3 and 13. If you never include the word inclusive, then I will exclude 3 and 13. Okay, so don't say it's just odd numbers. There's many odd numbers. Between what and what? So these 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 are all the odd integers that is between 2 to 14, or you can tell me 3 to 13 inclusive. Inclusive means it includes the 3 and it includes the 13. So you must be accurate in your description. Who is that? Sailesh, this question you got it wrong, right? Why are you not copying? Part C, you write wrongly. You just write odd number. Odd number and prime number wrong. Odd numbers that are not prime, no. All these odd numbers are prime. But just that it is between a certain range of numbers. Any more? Oh, that's all. ABC. Okay, Ken? Can So if it's so this time round the WA, right? You have 3 chapters. It will be more or less evenly tested. Each about 10 marks. Or sometimes 9, 11 and so on. But about 30% each.
Inside the circle property,
No, I think she'll add the Venn diagram.
Stop trying to guess what I will do. Actually, this one. Let's move on.
every
Ski know how to do already. Okay, this one we will